Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'll be showing you how to draw the cute alien kitty hatching out of an egg from Gabby's Dollhouse. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now start off with our Gabby's Dollhouse surprise fold. Let's begin by folding our paper. I'm going to line up the corners and give it a nice fold right down the middle of my paper. Next, I'm going to line up the corners one more time, giving it another nice fold. Now when I open this up, I have these nice little guidelines to show me where I want to keep the inside of my drawing. And I like to turn my paper this way so I can open it up for the fun surprise. Now to start off with this, we're going to make a little baby alien egg. So let's start at the top. Really easy. All you have to do is just draw a line that's going to come up towards the top. And then we're just going to bring this back down. Now, when we make the bottom, we're not going to make it somewhat pointed like this. We're just going to make it round. So think of more of like a smiley face. So we're just going to go down, and then we're just going to come right up to here at that smiley face shape. And that's really it. Now we're going to open it up and draw the surprise on the inside. Now once we open this up, we have two halves of our little baby alien egg. The first thing we want to do is let's bring each line down a little bit up here. And then let's bring each line up a little bit here. Let's make a nice zigzag line that's going to go right across the top. And then let's make another zigzag line that's going to go right across the bottom. Now, inside of here, let's go ahead and draw our little baby alien kitty. So let's start with the head here. I'm going to start on the top part, so let's say right about here. I'm going to make a little curved line. That's going to be the top of the head. Next, I'm going to make this little triangle shape here, and then this little triangle shape right here. I'm going to curve this line around, and we're just going to bring it right back up to here to kind of shape out the little baby alien kitty head. Now, let's go ahead and make the eyes in here. So she's going to have some big eyes. So let's go ahead and make a nice big circle shape for an eye. Then we're going to leave some space, and we'll go ahead and make that other nice big circle shape right here. Now we're going to make a little circle shape at the top here. That's going to be for the reflection in there. Now right in between the eyes, let's make a small little oval shape for the nose. Then we're going to go down and curve up for the mouth, and then same thing here, down and curve up. We'll make a little smiley face for the mouth and a little sad face for the tongue. Now for her little antenna, all we have to do is draw a line that's going to curve up like this, and another one that's going to curve up and down like this. At the very end, let's go ahead and make a circle. Now let's go ahead and make her little tentacles. So let's just keep it really simple. All we're going to do is draw a line that's going to curve down and up, and we're going to bring it back to here. We'll do that same thing, down and up, and then bring it back. We'll make another one that goes down and up to here, and we're going to go down and up here. Then I'm going to make this little curve one right here. And there you go. There is your drawing of a Gabby's Dollhouse baby alien egg surprise fold. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.